Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to add text to your TikTok videos. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is head over to your TikTok app, then go to your profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select a video or just go ahead and make one, do whatever you need to do. I'll just use one of my drafts. Once I'm on my draft or video, I can click text in the top right corner. From there, I can type in whatever I would like. I can change it from left, middle, or right side. I can also change the font of the handwriting. I can change the color of what it looks like. Also, once I'm done with this, I can click on it and change it to text and speech and also set a duration. You can also add stickers and effects and whatever else when you're making the video. So I hope this video does help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so subscribing would help my channel out a lot. Thank you.